Hello everyone and welcome to today's episode of CUET General Knowledge. Let's begin with the first question. The Battle of Lepanto in 1571 was fought between which two forces? Option A, Ottoman Empire and Spain. Option B, Ottoman Empire and France. Option C, Spain and Portugal. And option D, France and Britain. The correct answer is option A, Ottoman Empire and Spain. The Battle of Lepanto in 1571 was fought between the Ottoman Empire and the Holy League, comprising Spain, Venice, and others, resulting in a significant defeat for the Ottomans. Question 2. The Tigris and the Euphrates River flow through which modern-day country? The options are A, Iran, B, Iraq, C, Syria, and D, Jordan. The correct answer is option B, Iraq. The Tigris and Euphrates rivers flow through Iraq, forming the core of the ancient Mesopotamian civilization. Question 3. The Reign of Terror took place during which revolution? Option A, American Revolution, B, Russian Revolution, C, French Revolution, and D, Chinese Revolution. The correct answer is option C, French Revolution. The Reign of Terror occurred during the French Revolution from 1793-94 and was marked by mass executions of perceived enemies of the revolution. Question 4. The Gulf Stream is an ocean current that flows through which ocean? A, Atlantic Ocean, B, Pacific Ocean, C, Indian Ocean, and D, Arctic Ocean. The correct answer is option A, Atlantic Ocean. The Gulf Stream is a warm ocean current that originates in the Gulf of Mexico and flows up the eastern coast of North America into the Atlantic Ocean. Question 5. The Dunkirk evacuation took place during which conflict? The options are A, World War I, B, World War II, C, Korean War, and D, Vietnam War. The correct answer is option B, World War II. The Dunkirk evacuation, also known as Operation Dynamo, took place in 1940 during World War II, where Allied forces were evacuated from Dunkirk, France. Question 6. The Arab Spring was a series of protests and uprisings that started in which year? Option A, 2008, B, 2015, C, 2012, and D, 2010. The correct answer is option D, 2010. The Arab Spring began in 2010 and spread across the Middle East and North Africa, leading to regime changes in several countries. Question 7. The Red Cross organization was founded by which person? Option A, Florence Nightingale, B, Clara Barton, C, Henry Dunant, and D, Albert Schweitzer. The correct answer is option C, Henry Dunant. Henry Dunant founded the International Committee of the Red Cross in 1863 based on his experience during the Battle of Solferino. Question 8. Who was the first African American woman to receive the Nobel Peace Prize? A, Maya Angelou, B, Rosa Parks, C, Toni Morrison, and D, Wangari Maathai. The correct answer is option D, Wangari Maathai. Wangari Maathai, a Kenyan environmental and political activist, was the first African American woman to receive the Nobel Peace Prize in 2004. Question 9. The Blue Nile River originates from which lake? A, Lake Victoria, B, Lake Tana, C, Lake Tanganyika, and D, Lake Malawi. The correct answer is option B, Lake Tana. The Blue Nile River originates from the Lake Tana in the Ethiopian highlands and flows into Sudan, where it joins the White Nile to form the Nile River. Question 10. The Giza pyramids were built as tombs for which group of rulers? Option A, pharaohs. Option B, Roman emperors. option C, sultans, and option D, kings of Mesopotamia? The correct answer is option A, pharaohs. The Giza pyramids were built as tombs for the pharaohs of ancient Egypt, including the famous Pyramid of Khufu or the Great Pyramid. Now is the time for today's practice question. Who was the first European to reach the Pacific Ocean from the east? The options are A, Vasco da Gama, B, Christopher Columbus, C, Ferdinand Magellan, and D, Vasco Núñez de Balboa. Send us your answers in the comment section. Thanks for watching.